and rest and breathe. So if you need a little bit more time to stretch out those muscles, if they're super tight, just pause the video and then get ready to join me, okay? So the very first circuit we're gonna go into is gonna start off with some squats. So I'm gonna start off with light weight. I have a set of 5 pounds. What we wanna focus on is, again, find our base, which is the position of our feet. And then from there, go ahead and roll your shoulders back. Brace your tummy as if like you're about to sneeze. And I want you to really sit your hips back. If you're at home and you struggle with squats, I want you to bring a chair behind you and go ahead and start your squats, all right? You ready? 3, 2, and sit back. All right, before we go into the workout, I'm gonna do 1 round and you're gonna do 3 more rounds after me. Now, what I want you to do is push yourself for 30 seconds nonstop. After you get done with 1 move, rest for 30 seconds if needed, and then jump back in. Remember, 3 rounds. Three, 2, and breathe. Now, if that was way too easy, girl, you already know. Go up in your weight, okay? The workout is all about challenging you. And by the way, my workout plan is right across here on the floor. So if you see me looking down, that's when I'm making sure I'm staying on track, right? So let's go into our next one. Our next movement we have is gonna be reverse lunges. So for this one, we wanna focus on stepping back. We're gonna pulse twice, come together, and then switch. Okay, go ahead and start that. Remember, each move is 30 seconds. And rest and breathe. Now, if you don't feel those thighs by now, I'm lifting only 5 pounds, y'all. And I can feel like my muscles starting to like wake up and be like, okay, it's leg day, okay? So we're gonna put our weights down. We're gonna go into a squat hold. So for this one, go ahead and widen that base again. Remember, tummy tight, shoulders back, sit the booty back. We're gonna hold this one for 30 seconds. Ready? Go. Oh my gosh. Now, mobility is everything when it comes to working your legs. So if you notice like, oh my goodness, I'm not able to go really low in my squat, like my coach is going lower, I can't go that low, it is okay. By the way, right here is your break for 30 seconds. This is your pro tip, so get some water, right? So if you can't go on low in your squats or can't go low in your squats, it is okay, okay? You're gonna get better as you continue to train with me, as you continue to warm up and cool down. Your joints are gonna get more pliable and you're gonna be able to move through these movements going lower, deeper, more full range as you stay consistent. You got 10 seconds and we're gonna go back to the top. Ready?